Alrighty guys, what's crack-a-lackin'? James the Stormtrooper here back again. Look at that bird. So there is a tornado warning. Here, let me go to screen recording real quick and I will show you. Alrighty guys, so there is a tornado warning currently 34 miles from us in Morganfield, Kentucky. So yeah, this could be big, this could not be big. I am facing the tornado warning right now. So yes, it is currently northwest of us by a few miles. Yeah, so this could be big, this could not be big. The temperature was really cold this morning. It was really cold this morning, and now it's like decently hot. So yeah, that's a sign of tornado. There's clouds everywhere. Yeah. Sorry for the cars. I'm standing outside right now. Let's see. We are a long ways away. This is the tornado warning. This is where we are currently, Calhoun, Kentucky, McLean County. The storm, it is moving. This storm that's heading towards us is this line that I just drew. This storm right here with a tornado warning is moving that way. It might make a turn down this, might make a turn within that way. See, it just did. It just turned. So, well, it's still going the same path, but now there's another tornado warning for Uniontown and Mount Vernon. So yeah, this could be big, this could not be big. Yeah, let's read that. Tornado warning, Illinois, Indiana, and Kentucky. Tornado warning for northeastern Gatlin County and southern Illinois, Posey County and southwestern Indiana, west central Henderson County and northwestern Kentucky, central Union County and northwestern Kentucky until 5:45 p.m. CST. At 12:11 p.m. CST, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Uniontown or 8 miles east of Shawneetown. Moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado, source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Uniontown around 12:20 p.m. CST. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Mount Vernon and Blairsville. Precautionary preparation actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado radar indicated. Max hail size 75.75 inches. So, yeah. Oh shoot, it's just gotten darker. You can see the whole thing. You can see the whole thing now. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the thingy, the actual looked video. Alright, so I'm gonna go back over this again. Where are we? We're right there. Alright. So we're here, this circle. Here, I'm gonna make it a little bit tinier so I can save room. Right here is where we are. First tornado warning, 15 minutes until it's over. Second tornado warning, bigger circle, 30 minutes until it's done. Take precautions now if you're in any of these, okay? I hope you guys are all safe. Alright, let's go back to the thing. Alrighty guys, we're back again. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom into where that thing is. That wall right there. I like to call a shelf cloud. If it's not, and you know what it is, tell me in the comments below. GMC, yeah, this could be a major tornadic activity for those people over there. It is now getting really windy. That's another sign. we have 2 signs right now. It just dropped. We're being impacted by wind right now. It's a lot of wind. A lot of wind. God bless you all. Holy cow, this is crazy. This is like the second closest tornado current storm that is being developed in that mixture over there, that yonder, in that mixture. So yeah, let's hope that doesn't turn into anything, but I hope it does. Not for anybody to be killed or anything like that, no homes to be destroyed, but I hope a tornado forms, a small EF1, EF0 tornado spawn or forms. I'm a trained storm spotter, so I'm decently educated on what to do. Sorry for that. But yeah, we can go over here for a split second. There's some cars coming. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Being impacted by wind again. Look at all this. Throw my phone in that. Look at all this muddy water. This is from all the rain from earlier today. Look at all that. That's just disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Yeah. Tornado light possible. Oh, that's dog crap. Yeah. Yeah. My friend lives in, my swim fishing buddy, Terry, lives in Owensboro, and they're currently heading home. But hopefully, let's hope that they don't get impacted by this tornado, and if so, I'll try to get on the phone with them. So talk to you guys. I'll go back here in a second, and I'll go back to that thing. See you guys here in a second. Bye. Alrighty, guys, I'm back on the radar. I'm still outside because I'm not going to go switch in between inside and outside. So yeah, see this black dot right there? That's the radar station. This is the radar station. See this thingy right here? So that's the radar station. See this thingy right here? That thing that just circled? That is a rotating column of air, or as I like to call, a wall cloud. Same thing. But let's go back to that. Holy crap! This thing could be this thing is amazing. Holy crap! Hey doggies, what's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, this thing's gonna be humongous. Look, there's just 3 there, so it's probably gonna form dead square in the center. Hey, I'm gonna go inside real quick, alright? Alright, I'll be back out here in a minute. Guys, so it just started raining really bad here. It's getting a lot worse out here. Oh, holy crap. Alright, I should probably head back in. This is kind of scaring me. One car. My legs are drenched and wet, or they're really wet. Just look at all that. Look at that. Look at all those waves. Holy crap. Alrighty. Oh, my shoes are so all this water. But look at all of that back there. Now that's pretty, if I've seen it. Shoes to be wearing. Look at those rapids over there. Those rapids over there. Ugh. fun. Oh, I love doing this. I want to make a career out of this. One day, dude, it was pouring there for a second, and now it stopped. And I wish it was still pouring like that. That was fun. Holy crap, dude. It got bad there for a second. Look at that. It's flooded. Back there's that storm. Severe alerts, severe thunderstorm warning, Christian, Davis, and Henderson County. The National Weather Service is just spamming me with all these things. Now, if we get a tornado warning, if we get a tornado warning, then my phone will shut off, and then it will do its thing. Alright, see you guys later. On to the next storm. Bye. That's my phone's about to die, but why not try to get as much video as I possibly can? This one is crazy. Another big downpour if we're gonna get anything. Oh, it's so nice and warm. Oh, it's so nice. I'm gonna go sit in the car with my dog. See you guys here in a minute. Bye.